Just let me know. You all enjoyed your so many days holidays. We have Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 4 days holidays, and must have enjoyed the festival also. Is that so? सबने दशहरे में खूब मस्ती की. So how many of you have seen effigies of Ravan, Meghnad and Kumbhakarna? Have you seen them burning? You must have seen them in your location or on television. Do share your experience with me in the form of a short video. Okay? Now it's time we begin our today's classes. So after your holidays, can you tell me which day is today? Yes? Today is the first day of the week. That means today is Monday. Very good. And on Monday, we are going to start our work with English class. So, what do we learn in English? We learn about different line patterns, different alphabets with these line patterns, pictures of the alphabets, sound of the alphabets. That is what we do in English class. So, who remember what we have done in our previous English class? छुट्टियों में जाने से पहले इंग्लिश में क्या किया था? You must have revised or not? Yes, right. We have learned about curved lines. देखो, before that, very first, we have learned what is standing line, sleeping line, right slanting line, left slanting line. Then we have learned zigzag lines. And after all this, what is the next one we have learned? That is curved patterns, curved lines. Curved lines होती है like this, like this. When the lines, they are having some curve shape in it. वो straight, slanting नहीं होती, pointed नहीं होती है. They have some curves in it. Those are called curved lines. And you remember what we did? We did the work in the book. Now, here I have a fish. Right? So can anyone tell me where a fish swim? Fish swims in water. Now, what is this? It's a ship. Yes? So where a ship sails? Ship also sails in water. फिश भी वाटर में स्विम करती है, शिप भी वाटर में सेल करती है. आपने कभी समुद्र की लहरों को देखा है? वेव्स ऑफ अ सी कैसे उछलती हुई, कूदती हुई, ऐसे लहराती हुई शोर पे आती है. शोर यानी किनारा. वो शोर पे आती है और फिर वापस पानी सी में चला जाता है. फिर एक ऊंची सी लहर ऐसे अप एंड डाउन करती हुई आती है. So these, what they are doing, they are making those curved lines, wavy lines, right? This is what we are going to practice today. First, what you have to do? You have to make water for fish and for ship to sail. Fish को swim करना है और ship को sail करना है. So they need water. We will first make water for them. Okay? How we will do? Now see, this is fish. Let's make some water. ऐसे आती है ना लहरें? Like this. So what are these? These are curved lines. They are big and small in size. Okay? Now whenever we make fish, we all know that fish has some scales here. उसके फिर बॉडी पे कुछ निशान बने हुए हैं. Let's make this. Don't they have it like this? Some curved lines here also. Like this. जब भी हम कभी पापा या मम्मी के साथ इवनिंग में बाहर जाते हैं एंड वी सी अ बलून सेलर, मम्मा आई वांट अ बलून, पापा आई वांट अ बलून। कभी आप किसी फेयर में जाते हो, मेले में, वहां पे आई वांट अ बलून, तो वो बलून तो मिलता है। सो हाउ यू होल्ड दैट बलून? विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ स्ट्रिंग, इजंट इट? सो नाउ लेट्स ड्रॉ अ बलून हियर। नाउ ये बलून हो गया। नाउ सी द स्ट्रिंग इज आल्सो अ वेवी लाइन। जो बलून का स्ट्रिंग है दैट इज आल्सो drawn in a wavy line, in a curved line. Clear? So what is a curved pattern? A line which is drawn having some curves in it is called curved line. Now today you are going to practice these curved patterns in your notebook. अब notebook में क्या करना है? Picture work नहीं करेंगे. We only have to practice our curves. So let's see how to do this work in the notebook. I'll show you. आप पहले मैम का वर्क देखो. After that you will finish your work. Okay? So open your English notebooks for that. So class, you will first write today's date, day in your notebook. Then you will write your topic, that is curved lines. And after that we'll begin our work in notebook. Now picture, today we are not going to draw any picture, so from the very first line you will start practicing your curves. Can you see some dotted lines here? We'll first practice making our curve on these dotted line, and after that we are going to practice, we are going to do it without any help, without any dots. Okay? So let's begin with the work then. How we'll start? See here. This is the point you have to begin. Slowly and slowly go up, touch the red line, come down, second blue line को touch करना है, again go up. Red line से ऊपर नहीं जाना, और जो second वाली blue line है उससे आपको नीचे नहीं आना है. And like this you will keep tracing your curves. Clear? Slowly and slowly like this you will keep tracing your curve. First you will touch the top red line. Don't go beyond this top red line and don't come under this blue line. Clear? This is how you will trace your curve patterns. Let's do it once again. Starting from here. इस तरह से आप पहले डॉट्स पे प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. Once you have practiced 2-3 times on the dots, then let's do it without dots. Go up, come down, फिर यहाँ को टच करते हुए वापस ऊपर जाना है. Again come down, go up, come down, go up, come down. Like this you will keep on tracing these curves. Is that clear to everyone? So class, this is how you are going to finish your today's work in notebook, where you will be tracing your curved lines. Understood? And don't forget, you have to complete one full page making these curved lines. And how you have to do? Red line से बाहर नहीं और नीचे वाली blue line से नीचे नहीं आना है. Remember this. Okay? Hope you all have understood it well. Time for you all to finish your work and get ready for today's next class. Take care.